Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Baiklah, kami dari kelompok 11 akan mempresentasikan diskusi kami about descriptive, narrative, and procedure text. And dengan anggota yang pertama ada Aditya Eka Putra, Ana Rizkia, Arif Samanti Salam, Edward Sitio, Tinku Fadila Natasha, and Zahra Qobla Ramadhani. Okay, the first reader is Zahra Qobla Ramadhani. Kepada Zahra disilakan.
Yang pertama, saya akan menjelaskan tentang descriptive text. Basically, the descriptive text explanation is the same as the meaning of the word descriptive itself. Descriptive text is a text that aims to explain, describe, or describe something. This something can take the form of anything, be it a person, animal, object, occasion, and so on. Usually, descriptive text is characterized by the use of a simple present tense and focuses on one specific object. The object is then discussed in detail in the descriptive text. Descriptive text has several elements that become the characters, including yang pertama, noun. In descriptive text, the noun used is a specific noun. For example, my cat, the national monument, my sister, and so on. Yang kedua, adjective. Usually an adjective to use to describe a noun, such as the red book, the beautiful flower, etc. Number 3, simple present tense. Use the verb of the first form, verb 1, to describe the object. Example, my room has a bed. My sister is very pretty, and others. Number 4, figurative language. Use figurative language such as metaphors to illustrate something, usually the nature of an object. Example, Snow White's hair is a black as a bonny skin, a white as snow. Purpose descriptive text. Another goal is to describe everything, be it human, animal, plant, or inanimate object with properties attached to it such as size, type, color, and so forth, so that the reader can figure out what something is out of the picture we convey, even though he has not never seen. Structure from the descriptive text. 1. Identification. This section in the first paragraph, the purpose is to identify something to explain or describe. The explanation is easy. Identification serves us to introduce the reader to the object or something that we have described before we tell about its properties. 2. Description. This section in the second paragraph onwards contains the properties attached to something that you introduce to the reader in the first paragraph. Back to moderator.
Okay, thanks to Zahra Qobla Ramadhani. The next reader is Tengku Fadila Natasha. To Tengku Fadila di
Example description text. A camera is an optical instrument for recording image, which may be stored locally, transmitted to another location, or both. The image may be individual still photographs or sequence of image constituting videos or movie. The word cameras comes from camera obscura, which means dark amber, and is the Latin name of the original device for projecting an image of external reality onto a flat surface. The modern photographic camera evolved from the camera obscura. The functioning of the camera is very similar to the functioning of the human eye. A camera may work with the lack of the visible spectrum or with other portion of the electromagnetic spectrum. A still camera is an optical device which creates a single image of an object or scene and records it on an electronic sensor or photographic film. Cameras use the same basic design like enters an enclosed box through a converging lens and image is recorded on a light-sensitive medium. A shutter mechanism controls the length of time that light can enter the camera. Most photographic cameras have functions that allow a person to view the scene to be recorded, allow for a desired part of the scene to be in focus, and to control the exposure so that it is not to break or to dim. A display, often a liquid crystal display or LCD, permits the user to view scene to be recorded and settings such as ISO speed, exposure, and shutter speed. A movie camera or a video camera operates similar to a still camera, except it records a series of static images in rapid succession, commonly at a rate of 24 frames per second. When the images are combined and displayed in order, the illusion of motion is achieved. Meaning of narrative text. Narrative text is a type of text in the form an imaginary story, fabricated through story or fairy tale. Narrative text tells a story that has a chronological sequence of events that are interconnected. The purpose of narrative text is to entertain the reader.
Okay, thanks,
Next.
Natasha. The next reader is Aditya. So Aditya, time.
Okay, next structure of narrative text. First, orientation. Orientation, or so-called introduction, contains about who, when, where a story is set. Second, complication. Complication tells the beginning of the problem that caused the peak of the problem, or what is the commonly called the climax. This section usually involves the main character of the story. Third, resolution. This section is the end of the story or a solution to the problem that occurred. Problems can be solved can be for better or worse, which will make the story end happily or vice versa. Finally, reorientation. The part is the closing of a story which is optional. Reorientation can contain moralism, suggestion, or teaching from the author. Next type of narrative text. First, folklore or folktale. Folklore or folktale is a belief story that has long existed in society. This story comes from our ancestors and was conveyed by word of mouth. Folklore is still being told today. Next, legend. Legend is a story that has long been widespread in society and is believed to be a history or believed to be true in the past. It is generally believed because of the evidence of remaining legacy. Next, myth. Myth are stories related to the myth. Myth are stories related to the occur, telling the origin of a culture which is usually associated with supernatural beings such as ghosts and so on. Next, short story. Short story is a story that is fictitious or just imaginary. Anyone can make a story in the form of this short story because it comes from someone's imagination. Finally, fable. Fable, a story that Finally, fable. Fable are stories that use animal characters in them. The purpose of the fable is to entertain the readers only. Besides that the fable also contains moral values to be conveyed. For example, the attitude of helping to help and so on.
Okay, thanks Adit. The next reader is Anna. Pada Anna, saya miss you.
Example of narrative text. True friends. Once upon a time, there were two close friends who were walking through the forest together. They knew that anything dangerous can happen anytime in the forest. So they promised each other that they would always be together in any case of danger. Suddenly, they saw a large bear getting closer toward them. One of one of them climbed a nearby tree at once, but unfor- unfortunately, the other one did know how to climb up the tree. So, being led by his command sense, they lay down on the ground, breathless, and pretend to be a dead man. The bear came near the one who was lying on the ground. It smelled in his ears and slowly left the place because the bears don't want to touch the dead creatures. After that, the friend on the tree calmed down and asked his friend that was on the ground, "Friend, what did the bear whisper into your ears?" The other friend replied, just now the bear advised me not to believe a false friend." Definition of procedural text. Procedure text is text of its content related to how to make, do, or operate something in sequence. Usually mention various material or tools required. In other words, this procedure text is designed to give an idea of something in done is sequential step. Title procedure text is very easy to recognize. Usually begin with the word how to, for example, how to speak English fluently and confidently, how to use linking verbs, and many others. Satu lagi. Structure from the procedure text. 1. Goal or aim. Goal or aim mean the goal is making or operating something. 2. Materials. Materials needed to do something. However, there are also procedure texts that don't require materials. 3 steps. Contain the step or sequence that must be carried out in order for the objective to be achieved, to be for the record the procedure text in the form of how usually does to mention, include the materials needed.
Okay, thanks, Anna. The next
Next.
reader is Edward. So Edward, time is you.
The purpose of creating the procedure text. Communicative purpose of procedure text is describing that something done in accord with the rules through a clear and orderly step. In other words, tip of this text provides instruction for how to do things in the right order. Characteristic of the text of the procedure. A. Using common sense patterns, for example, cut down meats and so on. B. Using action verb, for example, turn, put down meats and so on. C. Using conjunction to short activities, for example, thin, will, and so on. D. Use adverb to state in detail the theme, place, and accurate method, for example, for 5 minutes, 2 hours, and so on. A. Using the simple present tense. F. Usually using the numbering precisely, secondly, next, then, and so on. G. Describe the ingredients that exist, although not necessarily. Sample procedure test. How to use digital camera. You need a digital camera and object. Follow the step below to make pictures. 1. Hold up the camera and center the object in the LCD. 2. Move closer, or use the zoom control for the result you want. 3. When you are ready to take the picture, hold the shutter halfway. It is very important so the camera set the focus, shutter speed, and various other calculation. 4. A light shall appear that let you know the camera is set to go. 5. Press shutter all the way down. It may be necessary to turn off the LCD and use the viewfinder when there is more extreme sunlight of the conserve battery. The glare from the LCD does not work well with more bright light.
Okay, thanks, Edward CTO. Okay, everyone, this is last of our VR presentation. If you have any question, please write in WhatsApp group. Thank you and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.